items. The argument is that
Bear down, Chicago Bears. Is that what you said?
pair.
Oh.
The
Yes,
argument is
pared
that you
down
can,
Chicago Bears. They pared down last week.
Yeah.
oh,
They didn't show up
lots.
for the first half.
The argument is you can better focus on the really important things in your life. Happiness doesn't come from stuff, it comes from relationships and experiences. I've talked before about Swedish Death Cleaning, and Laura brought it up.
Oh, really?
Some stuff makes me happy. I'm sorry.
Some stuff makes everybody happy.
Sure.
There you go.
Laura said that she started doing it, and she said no one had ever. Laura, who was on the build with us yesterday, that's
Okay.
who I'm talking about, and that's why I wanted to talk about today, because not only did she bring it up, but I had a new client this week. A couple who had lived in their home for 54 years.
Ooh.
Yes.
That's a long time to accumulate.
It's a long time to accumulate. And the problem is you get old and you get older. And so, as gently as I can say, you want to do this while you still have the physical and mental ability.
Capacity to do so.
Yes. Yes. Because there's a lot of disagreement between spouses on what they want. And if you do it before you get too old, let's just say that. So I go into this house, and again, this always drives me nuts. And I think that younger or children should look after their parents a little bit more, help them out a little bit more, because I think older people don't see as well. So they might not see the accumulation of dust that people are living with. You open cabinets and things are just filled with dust or grease because I don't think that they can see it as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's an issue. Another issue is you're downsizing from a 3 or 4 bedroom house and you have nowhere to put all of this. So when it comes to a linen closet, you open it up and it's filled and filled and filled and filled with towels. And they're threadbare towels. And sometimes you'll go into maybe a basement
Wait,
washroom.
what's a threadbare towel?
Really worn out.
Oh.
That's what I. Thanks, Rich. Because I didn't know what.
Well, I know what a teddy bear is, but I didn't know what a threadbare was.
Right.
BARE, threadbare.
Oh, got you.
Meaning all the
Okay.
threads are missing.
No, that's okay. No,
Yeah.
I never
Yeah.
heard that phrase before, so it just like kind of threw me for a second.
You taught us something, Robbie.
Oh.
Good job.
Success.
Oh, 10 years later, I'm so proud of myself.
You should be.
So, like, you'll go into the bathroom, maybe a basement bathroom, and, you know, the people are so proud of their belongings. And I'm not trying to belittle anybody. I'm really not.
But
maybe they don't notice that the hand towels in there have been used over and over. You know, the hand towels match the decor of the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe it's a jungle theme or something like that. And the hand towels.
Elvis's bathroom.
And the hand towels, maybe they think, okay, let's pack all this up and move it to the new place. The hand towels are very worn out. They're dirty. You know, so I'm just asking children of older parents to go through with them before it gets to the point where everything shouldn't have been kept for that long. I'm trying to be as delicate as possible. So the problem is, again, people are downsizing and they have too much stuff. They can't agree on what to keep, what not to keep. And then I go through things and I find receipts from 20 years ago. People save boxes.
Well, they might get audited.
Yeah, there you
People
go.
save their boxes that their, phone charger came in, and they save boxes and boxes, and then they're covered with dust.
Ooh, I can give you video. All my phone boxes are on my shelf in this closet right next to me.
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know.
In case I gotta send them back, repairs.
Yeah. No.
It says right on there, must be returned in original packaging.
Well, bye.
What did you hold up? What paper did you just hold up?
Nothing.
The tip of the week.
Yeah, thank you. See, it says right there.
It says send to Ron.
Yes.
Because Ron's got to do a talk on universal design, so he's just gonna use my stuff. That's fine.
And there's little, gadgety tool pieces of parts of things like that. And the husband's like, well, we have to save this. And the wife's like, we don't know what this is for. We haven't used it in
like
50
this?
years. It goes away. Rich.
Yeah. See?
Anyway, as
He's proving your
delicate
point.
as possible, children, help your parents out and make the decisions before you get too old to be able to make the decision.
We'll be back
put
with
them out
hour
of their
3
misery.
right after the
This
news.
is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.
Hi, my name's Christina Stumble, and I own Farm